For easily going from power to precision work with one tool, choose the Sonicrafter F80 Oscillating Toolkit by Rockwell. The powerful 4.2 amp motor features constant speed control to prevent stalling even under heavy loads. Its unique Duotech feature allows you to quickly adjust speed and select between a 3.4 or 5-degree oscillating angle, ensuring you get the best performance and maximum control possible for every material and application you tackle. 10 accessories are included with the set, so you're equipped to handle a wide range of cutting, sanding, and scraping jobs right away. And changing accessories is fast and simple thanks to the Hyperlock tool-free system, offering 1 ton of holding force to prevent slippage. Plus, the Universal Fit system accepts other major brand accessories for even more flexibility. There's an integrated LED work light for better views in dimly lit spaces, and a carry case for storing it all together at the end of the day. For power, versatility, and unmatched performance control, choose the Rockwell 4.2 amp Sonicrafter Oscillating Toolkit.